We have faster lead times than any of our competitors. Because of the COVID-19, there's lots of aircraft on the ground because people aren't flying. Airlines are taking that opportunity to go through and inspect the aircraft. They're detecting these pickle fork cracks. We have a set of cutting tools to remanufacture pickle forks and have literally shipped them all over the world. A pickle fork is the connection between the fuselage of an airliner and the wings. It is the main connection that holds the two pieces together to keep them flying in the air. If there's a technician on the flight line that says, I need a pickle fork repair tool, I'm not sure what I need. Here's the dimensions, here's what I have to do, how can you help me? And that's when we go to work. That's when it's fun. We're getting phone calls from aircraft builders that I've never heard of before in all corners of the globe. We're shipping tools to India, we're shipping tools to Europe, markets that we've never tapped before. They're sharp, they're accurate, the sizes are precise. We got nothing but attaboys and accolades. It's pretty cool knowing that we've got a hand in getting these aircraft back up in the air safely to haul the passengers around, to haul the customers, and ultimately get the country back on its feet again.